I will discuss about scalp and hair disease.
Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Dandruff is a skin condition causing flecks of dead skin on the scalp, often with itchiness and redness. Hair loss or alopecia is excessive hair falling out from the scalp or body, often due to genetic stress or medical condition. Head lice are tiny, parasitic insects that live on humans' hair, especially on the scalp, causing itchiness and discomfort. To prevent scalp problems, keep scalp clean, use gentle products, reduce heat styling, manage stress, eat a balanced diet, avoid sharing personal items. To maintain a healthy scalp, number 1, regularly wash your hair with a gentle shampoo. Number 2, massage your scalp to increase blood flow. Number 3, use a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Number 4, reduce stress through relaxation techniques. Number 5, avoid excessive heat styling and harsh chemical treatments. Number 6, protect your scalp from sun. This helps promote healthy hair growth and prevent scalp issues.